How was it feeling when you stood on stage?
Oh, I was so nervous.
Nerve-wracking?
Yes. After the talk, it was great. I got many people coming at the end saying thank you. It was a great talk and everything. But I also got some ideas on like next step and resources. Something we didn't go through like during my preparation was that like what happened after this talk. So we had with my mentor we put like what is the objective of my talk, but I wasn't expecting people so interested that they even wanted to learn more, so they were asking for resources.
Wow.
That's something that I should have included. Something else like the topic I was explaining today was about LLMs, and it's a very
it's all over. Yes,
all
it's
over.
catchy.
It's catchy. So you get different type of audience, different people with different background. I maybe could have included more pictures there, but overall it was great.
Hello, my name is Ashiorkor Nortey, and I'm the lead for the Speaker Mentorship Programme for EuroPython 2025, and I have one of the amazing mentees, and I'd like to find out about her experience of how the Speaker Mentorship went for her and what she learned. So hi Jenny.
Hello.
Kindly introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm a software engineer. This is my first EuroPython, and this is also my first experience as a mentee, as a speaker as well in this conference.
Wow, first time everything.
Yes.
That's really great. So I just have like a few questions just to know how the Speaker Mentorship Program went for you. So the main aim of the Speaker Mentorship Program is to help first-time speakers gain knowledge and some tips about how to prepare for the talk from mentors that have said they want to help. So my first question to you is, this was your first time speaking, so generally, how was your speaking experience like?
It has been amazing, I will say, since the beginning when I got interested in giving a talk here. I got support from the organizers. So I got a mentor that has been with me since the very beginning till today when I gave my talk. So it has been really great.
Okay, great. So I'd like to know, so you gave your talk today, right?
Yes.
How was it feeling when you stood on stage?
Oh, I was so nervous.
Nerve-wracking?
Yes. It was really... it was good, but I got nervous because the room was full.
Wow,
yes,
that's good.
Yes, there
that's
were
good.
people out waiting outside as well. So it was. Yeah, I will say it was really as first-time speaker, it was a game changer for me.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm like really proud of you first time. Okay, so my next question would be that what impact or influence did your mentor have on you? Like you said that your mentor was with you from the very start, so today when you gave your talk, and I'm just really, really happy to hear that. But generally, what was the experience with your mentor?
So when I signed up for this first-time speaker program that you have, next day, I think I got assigned my mentor.
Okay.
And the next couple of days, we set up a meeting, and I had some ideas. So my mentor helped but helping me to organize my ideas, put in some description to the content I wanted to give to the talk. And after that, we had another session just to go through my refined description, my title, the audience. And yesterday when I arrived to the venue, he also welcomed me.
Wow,
and today,
that's amazing.
Yes, so it has been, I wasn't expecting this from a mentor, but I think it's really great and supportive to know that you have someone on your corner, especially when it's your first time as a speaker, and it's not my first language. So it has been really rewarding.
Wow, that's really great. And again, I like that you mentioned that like in the beginning you had like a lot of ideas and your mentor helped you with selecting and choosing. And that's like a very good thing, because I think some people hold back from applying for the call for proposals because they are not sure the exact particular topic or what to talk about. So this really showcases like the power of mentorship, like in every area and also like in speaking. So like that's really great. So my final question would be to you. So you gave your talk today, so I'm sure you still have like the chills from that. If you do anything differently about your talk, about your delivery, about your preparation, what would you do differently?
So after the talk, it was great. I got many people coming at the end saying thank you. It was a great talk and everything. But I also got some ideas on like next step and resources. Something we didn't go through like during my preparation was that like what happened after this talk. So we had with my mentor we put like what is the objective of my talk, but I wasn't expecting people so interested that they even wanted to learn more, so they were asking for resources.
Wow.
That's something that I should have included. Something else like the topic I was explaining today was about LLMs, and it's a very
it's all over. Yes, it's catchy.
It's catchy. So you get different type of audience, different people with different background. I maybe could have included more pictures there, but overall it was great. Like I tried to explain in general lines what my topic was about. But I would say just it's not that you are unprepared, but of course you're not expecting
surprises here and there. That's really good. I'm so happy for you. Okay, so one last question. So if you describe the Speaker Mentorship Program in one word or in one sentence, what would it be?
For me, it's been life-changing because I
Wow.
never had the chance to speak in a big
days.
conference, and I thought I couldn't make it.
Yeah.
But the people here, they have shown me that I can, with of course preparation and believing in myself. So for me, this is the first time, but I don't want it to be the last one.
It's definitely not your last. No.
Thank you.
I'm going to be there encouraging you. So it's been very great talking to you. And this to like everyone there. If you like to speak for any conference, don't be afraid. Maybe there's no Speaker Mentorship Program, but then you could reach out to someone that you've seen that the person gets involved in talks and ask the person for help. And if it's also EuroPython 2026 that you want to speak at, just look out for the Speaker Mentorship Program and sign up, and you'd get a life-changing experience like Janie did. So thank you very much, Janie, and I'm just so proud of you. Thank you.
Thank you.